Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to A&M Moto Toys. Meeker Extreme, of course, here. I have a Yamaha FZ6 2005, and we're doing a brake job for a gentleman. So I figure I'd just kind of bring you along. I've already started it a couple days ago, but I needed one of these. A C-clamp is very important to have. It helps push that piston all the way back in. We're going with the EBC FA174. There it is. There's an old one still in it. All you have to do is take the cap off of this, take the pin out right there. I kind of lightly cleaned that up with some fine sandpaper. Same with the back of these. These are like stainless steel. It just helps keep the brakes cool because there's like a material in between this and the stainless. So that's the pad. It's the one side. That would be right there, would slide in. Old one's in right there. And what you can do is you can pull this bolt out, which I already have it loose because I put it back in there because I was trying to get the piston in. Sorry, I just had a customer come in, so I had to help them, show them around, what have you. So yeah, all you do is take that bolt out, which is a what is that? I can at least tell you 12 millimeter. Take him out, and then this can flip up like that, rotate. Old pad, rotate that bad boy out. That might go a few more just in case. So we'll flip it up. Well, this has a big enough flat spot, so yeah, it covers actually the whole piston, so not like an auto one. Okay. Oh yeah, so much easier. I was having trouble trying to pry it flat. So there you go. It's all the way back in. Just like that. I mean, a few seconds, it's done. Take the old pad. Move that out of the way. So, let's see, yeah, like that. Okay, so you take these pads, slide it in like so. This one can rest right there. Sorry for hitting the camera, guys. Have to. Okay, now slide this down like so. Take the pin here, go through there, start it, take the bolt in like that. Somebody's going to say, what's the torque? If you've worked on things in your life, if I full body pulled that, that's too much. Take your 5 mil Allen. Go ahead. Put that in like so. Tight. Take your cap that you removed. Sometimes those can be seized. This one came right out, so I was really happy with that. Take your big flathead. That fits nice and snug in there, so you know you don't wreck that, and then just like that, and it's tight. That's all you need to do. And they're new pads, so you can just barely pump the brake, and there you go. It's going to stop the bike now. What we're also going to be doing here probably in the coming week is my buddy Fairface Fail Productions, Aaron. He's going to be bleeding this. We're also waiting for some silencers for this that It's way too loud, the customer said. So they do sell silencers. So we're going to go ahead and put the silencers in, and that should quiet this down. It is pretty annoying. It's just annoying. I don't know why people think really, really loud is cool. It just draws attention. If it bugs you as a rider, it bugs other people. You probably shouldn't be running something that's just open. But to each their own. I just think it draws attention, unwanted attention at that. So he wanted some silencers. We're going to go ahead and put those in. We're going to bleed the lines like I said. And I'm going to go ahead and do a video changing the front pads on this 2005 Yamaha FZ6. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you're looking to change brake pads for your bike, this is what we're using, the FA174 EBC, and we can order these and we can do this job for you and yeah, hook you up. So have a good one. Stay well, stay safe, my friends. Bye.